Have you ever wondered how wolves survive? Hi, I'm Chloe.
And I'm Joby. We'll be your narrators for this video. We'll be covering everything from habitats to what life was like for wolves in the Anthropocene. Now, you might be thinking wolves are bloodthirsty and dangerous, but the truth is wolves are actually very wary and take great care to avoid people. Wolves attacking people is very rare and usually only happens when wolves are starving or diseased. Now let's talk about wolves' amazing survival powers and their habitats. Wolves can survive almost anywhere from harsh frozen tundra to hot scorching deserts. Some of those reasons could be because of their amazing adaptations. Wolves can see super well in the dark, but that's not all. Another reason could be because a wolf's sense of smell is almost 100 times better than a human's sense of smell, which is amazing. And maybe a second reason could be because of how strong wolves are. A wolf's jaw is twice the strength of a large dog's jaws. Some of those dogs could be Burmese mountain dogs, German shepherds, Rottweilers, etc. And yet a third reason could be wolves are not solo hunters. In fact, wolves hunt in packs that range anywhere from 6 to 20 family members. Aren't those some amazing adaptations? Don't you wish you had some adaptations like that too? I sure do.
When a wolf pack is hungry, they will send a scout to a high place. If the scout smells a scent of prey, they will howl, which tells the wolf pack there is prey nearby. Wolves are apex predators, which means they're at the top of the food chain. Wolves eat moose, elk, deer, bison, and other small mammals such as beavers, rabbits, etc. Most of the time, wolves either hunt old, young, or sick prey, which is easier to catch. If the prey tries to run away or hurt them, the pack will circle around the prey and lunge for a bite to try to kill it as quick as possible so they can dig in. But sometimes when the wolf wants to have a meal, they won't go out to hunt. They will scavenge animals that are already dead.
In the Anthropocene, also known as the Age of Humans, it has been a challenging time for wolves. People have hunted down wolves for sports and money, which led to wolves becoming extinct in different parts of the world. It was 1926 in Yellowstone Park. The wolves were being hunted down for eating the elk and deer that the people enjoyed, which meant that people wanted to get rid of the wolves in an attempt to help the deer and elk, which backfired a lot. The wolves being gone led to the deer overpopulating the area and eating more of the leaves, bushes, and tree bark. And with deer eating more than they should have, the elk underpopulated since they couldn't eat as much as they needed. After a while, people started to notice the elk suffering because of the lack of wolves, as in no wolves at all. So they brought back wolves from Canada in order to save the elk, which helped a lot since the wolves ate the overpopulated deer. In conclusion, a law was passed that placed a restriction on the hunting of wolves in order to keep a proper balance between the population of wolves, deer, and elk, such as hunting seasons.